PIDGIN TV.
This next story, what we want to talk about now, they come from Lagos. The Lagos State government don't finish the 80-bed house when the government promised to build for coronavirus sick people. Now this one happened as the Lagos State governor, when his name be Babatunde Sanwo-Olu, come waka go say make him see with the eye koro after the thing don go. As he enter there, he come see say everything done ready welele. Make we show us the video.
Good. Thank you very much. Thank you. We can go live. Sort of. Yes. We can. Good. A few days, right? A few days. But the other one. This is a famous. I'm looking for one or two.
We delivered one, sir. So we try and deliver one.
You've given us one. We bought it from them. Pepper. This is what will enable the doctors or the health to stay in.
Yes, we have them on events as well.
Oh, you have them.
So we have on
I'm
events
reading.
and then everywhere else.
Yeah, I'm reading. Okay.
Mr. Governor, me I wan use this opportunity take hala you o. You too try for this one when you do so. Sake of say you talk am some weeks back and now you make am happen. We pray say as you don make this thing happen so, everybody wey be say e get coronavirus, when they go carry go the hospital, they go well o. God abeg, you go make them well. If this one na the first time when you take dey watch our news videos like this, abeg, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when be PIDGIN TV, and make you not forgetful to hit the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news videos from us like this.
PIDGIN TV.